Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix network cable unplugged automatically on Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Advanced tab. Select Speed and Duplex. Select 100 Mbps half duplex. If same error still exists, second step is right-click your network adapter, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Advanced tab. Select Speed and Duplex. Select 10 Mbps full duplex. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type netsh winsock reset. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.